Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your Earbuds SOUNDCORE R50i from the application. You have to start by open SOUNDCORE application, and now you should be in this main menu. If you are here, just click at the icon at the left top and you will return to the main menu. Then you need to tap at the user icon at the right bottom and go to My Devices. Right here at the bottom we have it. Near to your earbuds we have a trash icon, so you need to tap on it and then confirm it. And that's it. Now, as you can see, we have devices in the application. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!